Hi, Tom. Good morning.
Good morning, Anna. How are you today?
I am good. I slept well. How about you?
I am fine. I feel fresh.
That is great. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. And you?
I woke up at 6:30 a.m. I needed more sleep.
Yes, sometimes more sleep is good.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please. Just a small cup.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you. This smells nice. The weather is cool today.
Yes, I like cool weather.
Me too. It feels calm.
Do you think it will rain?
Maybe. The sky looks gray.
Should we bring an umbrella?
Yes, it is safer.
Good idea. I hate getting wet.
Same here.
What are you eating for breakfast?
I am eating bread and eggs.
That looks good. What about you?
I have fruit and yogurt.
Healthy choice. I try to eat healthy in the morning.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, always. It gives me energy.
True. Breakfast is important. Are you ready for work?
Almost. I need 5 more minutes.
Take your time.
Thank you. What time do you start today?
I start at 9 a.m.
Me too.
Do you walk to work?
Yes, it takes about 15 minutes.
I take the bus. It is faster for me.
That is convenient.
The office is quiet today.
Yes, many people are working from home.
Do you like working in the office?
Yes, I can focus better.
Me too. Home is sometimes distracting.
True.
Do you have a lot of work today?
Yes, I have many emails.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Anna, do you want to eat lunch now?
Yes, I am hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe rice and chicken.
Sounds good.
What about you?
I want noodles today.
Nice choice.
Let's go together.
Sure, let's go. Tom, do you need anything from the store?
Yes, I need milk and bananas.
Okay, I need bread and apples.
Do you want to buy snacks?
Maybe some chips.
I will buy cookies.
Good. Let's make a list.
Yes, a list helps.
Do you need sugar?
No, I have enough.
Okay, let's go shopping.
This store is big.
Yes, many choices.
Where is the milk?
I think it is in aisle 3.
Yes, here it is.
I want apples.
I see them. They look fresh.
Good. I will take 4.
I need bananas.
These bananas are yellow.
Perfect.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, one bag, please.
Sure. That will be $12.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Shopping is done.
Yes, let's go home.
Anna, what do you want for dinner?
Maybe soup?
Good idea. Soup is warm.
Do we have vegetables?
Yes. Carrots and onions.
Great. Let's cook.
Do you want help?
Yes, please cut the carrots.
Okay. I will boil the water.
Nice. Teamwork.
I am tired now.
Me too. Long day.
Do you want to watch a movie?
Yes, something simple.
Maybe a comedy.
Yes, comedy is good.
Do you want popcorn?
Yes, small popcorn.
Okay, I will make it.
Thanks. What is your plan tomorrow?
I have work in the morning.
Same here.
After work, I want to exercise.
That is healthy. What about you?
I want to read a book.
Nice plan. Let's sleep early tonight.
Yes, good idea. The movie was funny.
Yes, I laughed a lot.
I like simple movies at night.
Me too. They help me relax.
Do you feel sleepy now?
A little. And you?
Yes, but I want to drink warm tea first.
Good idea. Warm tea helps me sleep better.
I will make 2 cups.
Thank you. I will wash the dishes.
Here is your tea.
Thank you. It smells nice.
I added a little honey.
Perfect. I like honey.
What was your favorite part of the movie?
The scene where the dog danced.
Yes, that was so cute.
Do you want to watch another movie tomorrow?
Maybe, but only if we finish work early.
True. We both have a busy day tomorrow. I will take a shower now.
Okay, I will clean the table.
Do we need to put the food in the fridge?
Yes, I will do that.
Thank you.
After the shower, do you want to read or sleep?
I think I will read for 10 minutes.
Good. Reading helps the mind relax.
What about you?
I will check my planner for tomorrow.
I am done with my shower.
Great. I finished cleaning.
Today was a long day, but it was good.
Yes. We worked, cooked, and watched a movie.
A simple day, but I like it.
Me too. Simple days feel peaceful.
Are you ready to sleep?
Yes, I feel tired now.
Let's turn off the lights.
Good night, Tom.
Good night, Anna. Sleep well.
Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Anna. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. And you?
I slept okay. I woke up once in the night.
Oh, why?
I was a little thirsty.
Ah, you should keep water near your bed.
Good idea. I will do that tonight.
Do you want tea or coffee this morning?
Coffee, please. It helps me wake up.
Okay, I will make it.
Thank you. You make great coffee.
What time is it now?
It is 7:15 a.m.
We have time.
Yes, we are early today.
Do you want breakfast now?
Yes, let's eat simple food.
Bread and eggs again?
Sure. It is easy and fast.
I will toast the bread.
I will cook the eggs.
teamwork again.
Always.
What is your plan after work today?
I want to buy new shoes. Mine are old.
Do you want me to go with you?
Yes, that would be nice.
What time do you finish work?
Around 5 p.m.
Me too.
We can meet at the bus stop.
Perfect.
After shoes, maybe we can eat dinner outside.
Yes. Maybe noodles or soup.
Sounds good.
Do you have your umbrella?
Oh, no, I forgot.
Take it. The sky looks dark.
Yes, it might rain.
Do you have your keys?
Yes, in my bag.
Wallet?
Yes,
Phone?
yes, I charged it last night.
Good. I think we are ready.
Let's go slowly. No need to rush.
Yes. Early mornings feel calm.
I agree. Let's enjoy the walk.
The air feels fresh today.
Yes, I like mornings like this.
Look, the trees look beautiful.
Yes, green and peaceful.
Do you hear the birds?
Yes, they sound happy.
I like starting the day like this.
Me too. Simple and slow.
Thank you for practicing with us today.
What have you learned so far from these real-life English conversations?
Comment one thing you learned and will use in your daily life below this video.
If you like this video, please leave your comment below. And don't forget to like,
Share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.